Lock Safari private browsing with Face ID now. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on Apps. From the alphabetical index on the right, tap on the letter S. Here, tap on Safari at the top. In the Safari settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Look for the option called Require Face ID to unlock private browsing, and toggle the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, Safari private browsing tabs will now require your Face ID before you can access it. To check it, open the Safari app. Tap on the Tabs button in the bottom right corner. Then select Private to switch to private browsing mode. Now, Safari will ask for your Face ID to unlock your private tabs. This helps keep your private browsing activity protected even if someone else uses your iPhone. And that's it.